Hello, Tashidale to everyone. Welcome back to Learning Basic Tibetan Grammar. Today we are talking on Dokjin Shi, 4 subscribes letter, which are Yatak, Latak, Ratak, and Watak. In previous video, we learned 7 Yatak, and today we are going to learn on Latak. Okay, let's start. So here are Latak Tuk. So that means is 6 subscribes letter, which are Ka Lata La, Ga Lata La, Pa Lata La, Ra Lata La, Sa Lata La. So you can see these 5 letters are similar sound but different spelling, and it has a different meaning too, okay? That we have to keep in our mind. And the last one is pronoun Sa Lapta Da. Sa Lapta Da. Okay, so now you see this 6th letter, the bottom has a La. So that's why it's called La Tak. So that is the La sign, okay? So now check it out. Here, what you see here are 30 consonants. So from the 30 consonants, there are only 6 letters become a Latak, okay, which are Ka, Ga, Pa, Sa, Ra, Sa. Only these 6 letters become a Latak. The rest cannot become a Latak, okay? Remember. Since we learned already 6 Lata, and some of the Lata has already meaning, okay? So let's learn. So now we can see here Ka Lata La. What is the meaning of La? Meaning is salary. La meaning is salary. Okay, now Lama. What is the meaning of Lama? Lama meaning is guru or teachers. Next one is Dalai Lama. Many people already know who is that. That is His Holiness Dalai Lama. But in Tibetan, pronoun is Dalai Lama. But in English, everybody call Dalai Lama. But Dalai is a Mongolian term. That meaning is like a ocean or big. That is like title for high people, okay? But all Tibetan people call His Holiness Dalai Lama is Yishin Nurbo. Yishin Nurbo. That meaning is wish fulfilling jewel, okay? Okay, I just want to let you to know when we learn this 6th Lata. Now is Lapo. Lapo mean is thin liquid. So the thin liquid, only this 4, Lapo is for only liquid types, not for people. Like in English, use like thin, she is thin, he is thin, right? So in Tibetan, Lapo is only for liquid. Okay. Next one is Dawa. Remember in previous video, or now I'm going to mention again and again, Wa, Pa, change Wa, because when we come to learn noun or name, anything, the Pa sound change, become a Wa, okay? Keep in our mind. So what is the meaning of Dawa? Meaning is moon. Dawa. Dawa. Now we learned 6 lata as well as meaning too. Kalata la, lama, lapo, and dawa. So that way we can remember easily 6 lata. Okay? Now we are going to learn 4 vowel with 6 lata and how it makes sounds. Okay? Let's start. Kalata la. Kalata la kikuli. Kalata la shabjulu. Kalata la dingbole. Kalata la narulo. Li lu le lo. Galata la. Galata la kiguli. Galata la shabjulu. Galata la dingbole. Galata la narulo. Li lu le lo. Palata la. Palata la kiguli. Palata la shabjulu. Palata la dingbole. Palata la narulo. Li lu le lo. Ralata la. Ralata la kiguli. Ralata la shabjulu. Ralata la dingbole. Ralata la narulo. Li lu le lo. Salata la. Salata la kiguli. Salata la shabjulu. Salata la dingbole. Salata la narulo. Li lu le lo. Salapta da. Salapta da kigudi. Salapta da shabjudu. Salapta da dingbode. Salapta da narudo. Di du de do. Now we're going to learn the meaning of words. Okay, let's start. Kalata la shabjulu. Lu. What is the meaning of lu? Meaning is naga. Lu. Lu. La lo. What is the meaning of lalo? Is barbarian. So in Tibetan, lalo has 2 meanings. The one is called uncivilized. People are just kill each other brutally. And the second one is called like an animal sacrificing. So these are called in Tibetan lalo. Both of are called lalo. Okay. Li. Galata like you li. So what is the meaning of li? Is pear. It's delicious. Pear. Li. Li. Galata la shabjulu. Lu. Lu meaning is song. Lu. Song. Lu. Lu. Galata la dingbole manaru mo. Le mo meaning is basket. Le mo. Le mo. Galata la naru lo wa. Loa. Now you already see pa sound change wa. Loa. So when it comes to the name, noun, sound change. Okay. Lo wa. Loa meaning is lung. Loa. Loa. Palata la naru lo meaning is mind. Lo. Lo. Salata la kiguli. Li meaning is yellowish. Li. Li. Sa la ta la shabju lu wa. Lua. Now you can see wa. Pa sound change as a wa. Okay, remember. Lua. Lua meaning is deceive or cheating. Lua. Lua. Sa la ta la dingbo le pa narpo lepo. Lepo meaning is big basket that carry on the back. Lepo. Lepo. Sa la ta la naru lo ma. Loma. Loma meaning is winnowing basket. Loma. Loma. Sa lapta da naru do wa. Dowa. Again, pa sound change wa. Okay, dowa. Dowa. Dowa mean is a reciting mantra. Dowa. The mostly this term dowa is reciting mantra, not like when you read book, when you read like story book, you don't call dowa. It has another term. Dowa is the mostly term for reciting mantra, but it's not used for like reading book, reading story. That has a different term for that. Okay, so far we learned 6 lata and also the meaning. So this will help us to more improve our next level, okay? And I hope this will be benefit whoever interested in learning basic Tibetan grammar, okay? See you in next video. Take care.